Hello everyone, that's Just Penny here, and today I'm working with the Women of the Bible March Kit, and I have a file folder and I have newspaper, and I am going to reinforce the file folder with the newspaper. I'm just picking the page that I want, and I'm going to be able to wrap this around, and the spine is going to be open, and I'll show you what I do with that. But since there is a crease in the paper, I am going to use that for the crease, the score mark in my folder. So it'd be a cover. There I've glued it on, and now I'm using FIBA tape, F-I-B-A tape, to reinforce the spine. It's construction drywall tape, and it's sticky and it's a mesh. Here I am measuring the paper to make sure it's going to fit, and I'm using acrylic matte white paint, and I am just painting over it. And in the middle I kind of wanted to leave some text on the inside. Here I'm taking my sepia, and this is archival ink, with my little makeup brush, and I am distressing the edges because I know my paper is not going to go all the way to the edge. So here I am distressing this inside and outside, and I'm going to do this so that the edges will be distressed.